And let's cut straight across to images coming in from Chennai. A celebration of our world chess champion, D. Gukesh. There's a massive roadshow taking place in Chennai to honor the 18-year-old. He's touched back in his home city after, of course, the successful outing at the World Chess Championship. And rightfully, there's a massive celebration that's underway for Gukesh's triumph. You can see him there atop the vehicle, atop the car, as fans have gathered on both sides to greet Gukesh, to congratulate him. This is going to be followed by a massive felicitation ceremony where, in fact, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin will be handing over a 5 crore check to Gukesh in the city of chess. That is the city of Chennai. D. Gukesh's celebration taking place. Large number of people who've gathered. You can see the tricolour flying high. Gukesh was just until moments ago atop that vehicle, greeting people, thanking them for all of their support. As we speak, you can see, in fact, those images coming in of the mega celebration that's been lined up for Gukesh. He touched back home, touched back in the city of Chennai from Singapore to a grand welcome. And now you're going to be seeing a mega felicitation ceremony where you'll have Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, Deputy Chief Minister Udayanidhi Stalin, chess legend Vishwanathan Anand, who also hails from Chennai, is there for the event. You see Gukesh there, all of the 18 set to celebrate his historic moment as the world chess champion. You can see a whole lot of chaos there, huge crowds that have gathered in large numbers. And there you have Gukesh showing off his prized possession, showing off his trophy to all of the people who've gathered there in large numbers to catch a glimpse of this new chess superstar, of the world chess champion. He, in fact, touched down at the Chennai International Airport early today and was, in fact, accorded very deservedly a hero's welcome. And you know, the fact that you're seeing these celebrations in Chennai itself speaks volumes of how chess is celebrated in the city. The Tamil Nadu government also, and we must mention this, has gone the extra mile to not just felicitate Gukesh, but to get him to the point that he's reached of becoming the world chess champ. And that's exactly what today's event is going to be about. Hailing the accomplishments of Gukesh, who got the backing also from the state government to reach that platform. Pramod Madhav is joining us with more details on this. A grand show being put up in Chennai for Gukesh. Pramod, the city that loves its chess, that loves its world chess champion. Also, he's back home, and we understand there's going to be a grand felicitation ceremony kicking off any time now.
It absolutely is, Akshita, and just like we've been trailing him since yesterday, and he's been really happy after winning the match and coming back to Chennai. He has said that a lot of things he could not do during this period while he was playing chess and to achieve this target of becoming the world chess champion, which he's been chasing since the age of 11 years old, and finally at the age of 18 he has become the youngest grandmaster, and that's the reason he's being celebrated in a grand manner over here. In fact, the Chief Minister has already announced a cash prize of 5 crore rupees for Gukesh, which we believe it will be handed over today. And it was a quite surprise for us because the roadshow was not earlier planned. But it looks like the Tamil Nadu government has gone ahead and they have also conducted a roadshow where Gukesh is carrying the actual trophy in his hand. And that way the whole of Chennai and the entire Tamil Nadu and whole of India is celebrating Gukesh's victory, Akshita.
So great to see, you know, in a country where very often we don't play up the accomplishments of our sports players besides cricket, of course. It's great to see that a chess champion is getting this kind of a well-deserved welcome back from Chennaiites as well. And this is something I was mentioning earlier, Pramod, about how the state government is also backed Gukesh all along. You know, if you talk about the fact that it was, in fact, the state government that went the extra mile last year in 2023 by organizing the Chennai Grandmasters event to help Gukesh go ahead and gain circuit points. And, of course, several other steps that the state government has done. The Tamil Nadu government stepped in by hosting the event because Gukesh did not have enough circuit points to actually qualify for the candidates tournament. So the state government has backed Gukesh, and how?
It surely is, Akshita. Just like you mentioned, you're absolutely right how the Tamil Nadu state government went ahead and conducted special games for Gukesh to change the circuit points over here. And believe me, for traveling and all such things, also the government has definitely helped to the state development authority. And what presently you're seeing is that, not just now, but since FIDE was conducted in Tamil Nadu itself, the state has been showing specific interest on this. And we also, let me tell you right now, we also have one more budding star, actually 2 more budding stars One is Pragyananda and also his sister. So like more things are to come on this way, but this way, like here you see how Tamil Nadu is like celebrating Gukesh in this place, and his trophy is the one. Even yesterday, like when he met, he was very clearly like stating that like he's absolutely enthralled to see the fans, and that's how you see over here. Sports, be it cricket, be it chess, or any kind of sports, Chennai definitely loves the players and also the winners, and that's what you could actually view out what is happening on that particular road next to Omadura Hospital towards Kalaivanan Arangam, Akshita.
Amazing to see.